You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word, but how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce correctly this interjection or this expression from Mexican Spanish slang, also commonly used in the United States, to express approval or encouragement. Órale, that's your Spanish Mexican pronunciation. Órale, you have an accent on the O, meaning that you stress on that O syllable. Órale, if you cannot pronounce Spanish perfectly in English, you can say órale, órale from Spanish, Mexican, órale. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.